How to make the most of the focus mode on iPhone. Let me talk about it. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So in order to get the most out of the focus mode, you need to utilize all of the features which are part of that. So when you go to the settings and check out the focus section, select a specific focus mode type, like for example, the personal or like, I don't know, do not disturb generally, whatever, right? Just select what you want to go with and just play with as many features here as possible to get the most out of it, right? Because some people might just enable the work focus mode and call it a day, but there are things like the notifications filtering, right? So make sure you only allow certain apps or silence certain apps or contacts to get in touch with you, right? So just set up the apps the best possible way to get the most out of it. Then you also have some options, and perhaps you might also want to show or hide the badges, right? So, when you receive a notification, the app icon is going to contain like a number in the red circle indicating that you have some things like new emails or whatever. You might also want to hide that so it also doesn't distract you when you're supposed to focus on something, right? So you can enable that. You can also dim the lock screen to make it look a little bit different and indicate to you that you are supposed to focus. And also you can pick like the different lock screen, home screen, or even watch face, which is going to show when you enable this focus mode, right? So even some apps that you don't even need to look at might just disappear, and you'll be able to see a different home screen with different apps, which might, support your focus. So that is how you can get the most out of it. But by far, I believe that the best way is to also the scheduling and a smart activation, because it depends on the focus mode. But for example, the driving focus gets turned on automatically whenever I get inside my car and the phone connects to the car's Bluetooth, right, or CarPlay. And this is also very useful because I don't even have to turn it on and it just starts automatically, right? So this lets me get the most out of the focus mode because I don't even have to think about it, right? And it just turns on its own. So that is something that you can do. Of course, play with as many features as you have available to get the most out of it. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of videos. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon.